about time. Just kidding.
It is about time. Fuck, I just had like 3 fucking hits or so. I don't know what the hell is going on.
Okay, watch your mouth now.
What's that?
Too late.
You didn't say action.
I gotta hit the button as soon as I get here. I like seeing the fish down there before you get it up.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, sorry.
Right. Oh, he's going bananas.
Alright, I think you got your other line.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, nice whitefish.
It's a laker.
It's a laker.
Yep.
I just saw his tail. Oh, good man.
Laker. Oh my lord.
Snagged. Nope. Patience, Daniel.
Yeah.
Tire him out. Tire him out. Tire him
Come
out.
up the hole. Come up the hole. Come up the hole. Come up the hole. Why won't he come up the hole?
It's alright.
Oh, yeah, baby. Nice one, Stevie.
Steve Taylor.
Yeah.
First Laker of the weekend.
First Laker on a reel, too, eh?
Oh, and reel on Simcoe. Look at that. He hit it, too.
That is nice. What's that, 5-6 pounds?
He's 5 for sure.
Nice.
Natural fish, too.
Oh, yeah, not clipper.
Mega whitefish and a first Laker.
Look at that. Look what color this dude's using.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
Get away from that window. Stand over. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah,
Nice.
Big Laker.
Beautiful fish.
Good job, Taylor. Great job.